Hello my dear friends, I hope you all are fine, and as you read from the title of the video that today we will learn how to download the pro version of Filmora 9 or how to activate Filmora 9 for free. So let's get started. Now first of all we should open any browser, Chrome, Internet Explorer or any other. Now we should write on the search box Filmora download. After that click on the first link which is given. Now click on the free download word. Now there will be a link which is on the taskbar. Open it and then download Filmora and install as it is written install, so install it. Click on the install button. After downloading Filmora 9, click on the after downloading it we should click on the start now, so click on it. Now there will be a new browser will be open. It will congratulate you for downloading Filmora 9, so close it, nothing happens. Now open Filmora 9 and there is a word help, so click on it, and then on the fourth row there is written activate Filmora 9, so click on it and you can see there is written unactivated. As you can see there is the word unactivated, so now we will activate it. So don't go from here, watch this video till end. We will activate Filmora 9 from here. Now close Filmora 9 and open the task manager and then maximize it. Task manager will open. Now maximize it and then go to details and now scroll down it. Now see the word wshelper.exe. Click on it and end task. Now click on end process. Now close the task manager, open this PC and open that disk in which you download Filmora 9. And then click on program files into 86. There should be into 86. Now click on common files. As you can see, first we open this PC, then the file in which we download Filmora 9, and then program files into 86, and then common files. Now we will open Wondershare, then Wondershare helper compact, and now we will delete that file which have 2000 kbs and 2 MB ws helper. We should delete it, and now close this file and go to recycle bin. Now we should go to recycle bin and delete all the files belonging to ws helper or Wondershare. So delete all these files permanently. Now once again open Filmora 9. So we should open it. Now once again click on help and go and click on the fourth row which is written activate Filmora 9. Now click the first click here word. Then copy the email, licensed email which is given in the description. You can copy from there and paste it here. After that copy the passcode and then paste it here, which is also given in the description. There will be 5 to 6 Gmails and passcodes in the description, and one Gmail and passcode will match to your device and it will activate Filmora 9. As you can see, the first one doesn't match, so I am pasting another one. So now from here copy the passcode, copying the passcode of another Gmail, another licensed Gmail. Now pasting here. So friends, as you can see, my Filmora 9 is activated. So thanks for watching my friends. Please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you in the next video. So
Yeah.